What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. We're at Concept Customs and we're at crunch time. Hashtag road to SEMA. Last day for Week Fest to get ready, so we're gonna test fit the bumpers, get them painted, and head to SEMA. Let's do this. All right, now guys, we are going to be sanding the trunk and the wing so we can get it, sand it, and then go and buff it so we can bring it out to a nice, beautiful finish. Let's get to work. We're gonna start with 1000 grit, then work our way to 1500. So let's do it. Wow guys, look at this. This candy looks amazing. 2 coats and we're gonna add some clear to it. Alright, Licio Rodriguez, Concept Customs, what you gotta say about this, man?
It looks good. Heck yeah, I can't wait to get the clear on there to see the final shine on it. It looks good.
Let's do it. SEMA
Press ready.
Wax Fest SEMA 2019, let's go guys. Alright guys, now that the surface has already been sanded down with 1000 to 1500, we're going to go ahead and start the buffing process. So we're going to start with buffing, then we're going to polish, and then hit it with the wax. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so now that the rear hatch has already been polished, it's been cut and buffed, now we're going to hit it with some wax and go ahead and clean it up, and so it's ready for the show. And also another thing is too, we're going to go ahead and install the winglets to go on the trunk chassis mount. Let's get to it. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.